All right, can we take a minute and look at this sign? Yes, we're open. Slide the door to open, then close the door. Okay, y'all know what this is going to be. All right, so it's a Dollar Tree haul. We're going to first start off with these items here. They're really cute. They remind me of, I think it's called the Ray Dunn line, that they have out that people go crazy for at the TJ Maxx and stuff like that. So that was really cute. They had the lunch trays. They had these little things, compartment things. I really don't get the point of them, but only $1, can't beat it. So hey, now this mess I'm showing you here took me by surprise. Okay, made me grab my wig, and I seen that mess throughout the entire store. Now this is where all the trinkets are supposed to be, all the little cutesy stuff, all the new. And look at this. This is just a full. I don't know what's going on with all this disarray. They had a few cute trinkets on here, but that's all they had. Like, I do not know what's going on with this store. And then they had the water in like such a weird location, and then they had water in the back of the store too. Now we're going off to all these empty areas. Like, is nothing on these pegs. Absolutely nothing. And everything is just so messy and just everywhere. Now I was looking for something for Grace. I was looking for a puzzle for Grace, and then I went through the toy section to try to find a puzzle, right? Wrong. Look at this toy section. It is a hot to trot. Like, it's stuff all over the place. Things are in a disarray. They even had toys that were already open. Like, boy wanted his Woody bad. And this is where the snacks are supposed to be. Of course, a lot of bare areas. Again, I don't know if they're needed in a stock or what, but Lord. Okay, so now we're going to get over to this. Someone put a random item here, but these are really cute, so I wanted to show them. The coffee house thing, the world's best coffee, nice little hanger picture things. That was really cute, but in such an odd place. I guess they haven't had a chance to put them where they go. More disarray and clutter. Why not? Because the store has it all throughout, I guess. So yeah, that's that. So that's the school supply section. Hey, I seen a DVD. That was the only DVD I saw the whole entire time. It was in such an odd place, and then I found this next to the DVD and everything. This is really cute. It's an office kit, and it's 100-piece office kit, so you definitely have to dig for things that you really want in the store, but when you find some gems, you find them. I actually found this at my local Dollar Tree. I think it was a few days ago, and I did pick it up because that's a great deal for those wipes for $1. And I think this one even has some kind of transmission oil or something like that. I haven't seen that anywhere, so that was pretty cool to see as well. More empty bare areas with their trinket area, but they had one really cute trinket that I wanted to show you guys. Was this. Like, how adorable is that trinket? If I had space for it, I definitely would have got it. Now on to the cup area. This is where I found my steal of the day. I'll talk about it more when I show you guys the haul here shortly. But these cups, they are so adorable. So I was actually very excited to see them. I'm telling you, the Dollar Tree be coming up and getting some good stuff, but it's in small quantities. So when you see them, you need to make sure you scoop them. And I can't believe they even had Christmas cups. I was like, what are they doing? And even some of their little table runners and stuff that are out are really Christmassy to me. And this is just a look at their makeup section. I haven't seen this display at my local Dollar Tree yet. And they had the new Bolero. I guess this is their newest line with the coconut water. And they had the face wash. They had the serums. They had the wipes. And they had body wash, I believe. Yeah, that is the body wash. And they had the soaks as well over there behind them Pringles. They had the soaks, more Bath soaks. This is another line that just came out too. This is their pink sea salt and rose water. Yeah, that one also came out as well. And they had the body wash too. So guys, we are back in the car. Oh my god, like, oh my god, did you see the inside of that Dollar Tree? This is the location, I'm going to say it again, off East Palmer, near Mopac. It normally never looks like this. I've never seen it look this bad. Like, oh my god, it looks like no one is really stocking and working the store. But I did find some amazing finds. So sometimes it's good not to judge a book by its cover. I don't know what's going on in that store. I don't know if they're short of staff, people quit. I have no idea. But what I do know is I did find an item that normally costs $18. And I found it. I'm sorry, guys. What is this piece of hair doing? It's normally $17.88, and I found it for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Y'all, oh my God. This right here. Oh my God, this is the steal of the day. This is the Planet Zax Hydra Track, the fun way to track your healthy way to hydration. And it has a real thick straw. So if you have to have like protein shakes and stuff like that, you can have your shakes and everything with this. And oh my goodness, this is a great steal. So basically they said the average weight of a woman, 140 pounds. Yeah, okay. So 5 bottles equals 5 bands, so you would have 5 bands of water throughout the day, and that's supposed to be the liquid amount you need. Average man weighs 195. It's crazy. Average man weighs 195, but the average woman is 140, but we ain't even gonna go there. But that's 6 bottles, 6 bands, and it fits in most cup holders for the car. It's dishwasher safe, and it keeps drinks cooler longer because it has a double wall insulation. Oh my goodness. Normally $17. Ooh. Only $1. So of course I didn't just buy one. I had 3, but the lady behind me, she saw it and she was like, oh my God, where did you get them? I said, I actually bought the last 3. I got the last 3, but here, you could take one. So she took the blue one. So I have 2 of the teal type of color ones, but that's still a great deal for $1. So that was my steal of the day, because normally it does run for $17.88 on Amazon. So I was like, what? And scooped it up. So that's why when I say sometimes don't judge a store, because when they was saying that you had to open the doors and close the doors yourself, I was like, what in the name of EBT is going on here? Okay, like that's how I really felt when I seen that. So yeah, that was that one. I did pick up this for Grace. It's 4 puzzles in one, so I thought that was a great deal for $1. And they're 12-piece puzzles because Grace loves to put together puzzles. So I got that for Grace. I found these cute little glasses at the checkout, y'all. These sunglasses, I'm actually about to wear them now, but look. Say these sunglasses ain't hot though. Say these ain't gonna give you a hot girl summer, okay? Yes, these are super, super cute. And for $1, I had to have them. Like, these sunglasses, these is legit. Like, I like them. So I picked up those. It was so messy in there. I didn't even catch the Bolero stuff, and I was gonna go right by the new Bolero stuff until I walked through the store again because it was just so distracting. But I got 2 of the Hydra Mist coconut water facial wipes. Looks just like that. And I don't go crazy with Bolero anymore, but I do need facial wipes because I'm running low and I usually use Bolero. So I got 2 of these. They had a rose line as well. So I got the pink sea salt and rose water facial wipes. Looks just like that. I'm telling y'all know I used to go ham and I would get everything in the line, like the body wash, the foot scrubs, everything in the line. Y'all see me? They even got facial serums now, and I'm not messing with them because I don't like serums and stuff with mineral oil because that's not good for my face. And like right now I'm letting my face breathe, no makeup on or whatever, but my serums cannot have mineral oil. I don't do that. So I passed all that by. I did get Justin some batteries. He said, Mom, get super heavy duty. So super heavy duty. But I need to just go ahead, I keep saying this in so many videos, and invest in getting rechargeables because I'm spending way too much on batteries. But I got 2 packs. So this is the last time we're getting packs. So he better make it last through the week. So when I get paid, I can go ahead and just spend $20 on some rechargeables, but I'll get my $20 plus some. So that's that bag. Christian likes the Gatorade Frost Thirst Quencher. So I went ahead and bought this for him, and he really likes the bottle and the top and all that, so he can reuse this, and this can be reusable for him. So I picked that up. And I picked up a big alkaline water because I love alkaline water, and to get 1.5 liters for $1, that's a great deal. And I did pick up, lastly, 2 of the Splash, because the kids like the Splash Wild Berry. I do want to tell you, when it comes to plastic, make sure you're recycling, because it's very important. We don't want to live in a future world that's just full of plastic. So we want to make sure that we continuously recycle, recycle, recycle. So that's very important. That way they can make new items. Like this can end up turning into a hairbrush, or it could be these glasses, or, you know, anything. It can turn into anything. So make sure that you are recycling. But I did pick up 2 of the Wild Berry Splashes. So yeah, I think that's everything that I got. Did I get anything else? Yeah, that's everything that I got. Oh my goodness, I was so scared when I went in there at first. I was like, what in the world? But it ended up being a really nice Dollar Tree like adventure. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I'm about to hurry up and edit it while I'm in this parking lot so I can upload it to you today. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.